Hello, this is a quick video to give you an extra way to insert images into the discussion board. I heard from a student that the insert image tool wasn't available in the text editor within the discussion, and discovered that was true, at least for me, at least some of the time. So here's a workaround, and this might be useful in general to you. Google Docs is a good word processor that you can use for free using your own Google Gmail account or using the one that you get through Heartland, accessible through your My Heartland account. And once you get an untitled document open in Google Docs, you can type your discussion post in there directly, or I've already written it in a different word processor, so I copied it by doing Control-C. And now I'm going to paste it here with Control-V. So all I did was paste my text into a Google Doc. Then I go to the part where I have referred to some pictures. I tried to paste them in Blackboard, but it wouldn't let me. I didn't have the tools I needed for that. So now I'm going to try to do it within Google Docs. And so I'll go to Insert, Image. I keep my pictures in Google Photos, so I'll use that. But you could upload from the hard drive of your computer. And I'll use a pretty picture of a moth here that I wanted to insert. Click Insert. Now that's awfully big, so I'm going to reduce the size of it. And I'm going to want to put some another picture next to it. So I'm going to click Wrap Text here. And then I'll put the cursor right there, so it'll be next to the existing picture. Hit Insert. Again, Image. Here over here, and then I want to take this picture from our trip, put it in there. Oh, it's awfully big again. I shrink it in size and hit Wrap Text. Now it's not placed exactly where I want, but with Wrap Text selected, I can move it around on the page. And with a little bit more fiddling around, the pictures are next to each other. And they're both about the same size. And then there's some final text below the pictures. And that may be important to make it more possible to select all of your text and your images. So now I'll go back up to the top of the Google Doc, highlight, drag all the way down through the pictures and the text below them. Hit my hold my Control key and then hit the C key. It would be Command C on my Macintosh. Switch tabs, go into the discussion. Now I want to create a thread. And it's going to be my life story and lies. So John Bookstras, you would have to type that in. Life story and lie. And notice no image tool, so I couldn't find a way to do it within Blackboard. I'm going to hit Control V, and the text from the Google Doc pastes in, as do the images and the text that was below the images. And so I'll hit Submit. And now a new post has been added, and it has the pictures in it, and you can reply to me. So Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. The main point is that if some of the tools aren't working within Blackboard, a good workaround is to do your work in a Google Doc, copy the entire thing and paste it into Blackboard.